Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install NetBeans IDE on your Ubuntu Linux operating system. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and type in search NetBeans, and the first link which will come on your screen is netbeans.org. So just click here to download, and we will be guided to the download link of NetBeans IDE. Now NetBeans IDE can be downloaded in different packages. So here you can see different packages for a NetBeans IDE. So if you want to use all package, then you can always just download this, and if you want to use some specific package from or package on technologies from uh, in the NetBeans IDE, then you can choose according to your use. So for example, I'm choosing Java EE or Java SE from here. And one thing I forgot to show you, I go back, and here at the top you can choose your language and you can choose the operating system on which you want to install. So I have chosen this here, Linux, because we are installing it on our Ubuntu. That's can be selected here, and then go to downloads. Okay, so this download is opening, and now just you can save your downloaded file from here. Just click OK, and it's installing or downloading. So now the download is done. The file has the extension .sh. Make sure that it has the extension sh. Now I will just open the folder in which the NetBeans file is downloaded. So here it is. So what I will do is I will copy this file from here and go to my home folder, and I will make a new folder here. So I will right click and write new folder, and here I will write NetBeans, and in this folder I will paste my downloaded file. Okay, so now it's here. Now I will close, so it's transferring my file. In a meanwhile, I will open my terminal from here, and here I will go to that NetBeans directory. So I write cd NetBeans, and in here I will give the command to change the mode of this .sh file. Okay, so I will write sudo chmod +x netbeans dash star. This star I'm providing so that it will take whatever extension after NetBeans dash it has. It will automatically take the extension. Alternatively, you can also just provide the whole name of this file. It will work fine. So just write this and press enter and give the password. Okay, so now my mode is changed. Now I will give the next command. So I will write here sudo /netbeans dash star. Okay, and I will click enter, and now it is start configuring my file. One thing you need to ensure before installing this NetBeans is your JDK is uh, properly installed or not. So in the last video I will provide the link in the description also, how you can install JDK in your Ubuntu operating system. So first you need to install JDK and then install this NetBeans. So JDK is like a build system for the Java environment, and it has just started the installer. So click next, and if you accept the license, then click this and accept the license. But before that I want to show you that in the last video I have provided the environment in my bash rc file. So just when you create when you open this home folder and go at the top and view show all hidden files, and when you open this .bash rc file, and at the bottom I have provided these two lines. So in the last video I have installed JDK for this Java environment. So first of all you need to ensure that these two lines are there in your bash rc file, and then you will be able to install this NetBeans correctly. So if you don't know what's happening here, just see the last video and you will be able to know how I have given these paths in this bash rc text file. So now I accept the license and click next, and accept the terms and conditions and click next, and here user local, it will create this install in this path, and it has found the default path for JVM. That's what I was talking. And then click next and click install, and it will take some time to install this NetBeans, and it's still installing. So now NetBeans IDE is installed in my system, so I click finish, and I can find my NetBeans IDE here. So go to your dash home, and in here type NetBeans, and I can see the NetBeans IDE 7.4 here. So what I will do is I will drag this symbol and drop it on my toolbar here, and I will double click it, and it's opening NetBeans IDE in my Ubuntu operating system. So the IDE is open now, and from here I can create a new project. So I will click file, new project, and depending upon your usage you can choose Java application, Java FX, and other modules in Java. So for example I select some samples application, I go to sample Java, and I go to GUI form example and click next, and I will leave this name as default for example, and click finish, and it will create a new project for me. So you can see here it has created a new project and it's scanning the project. So I will run this program and try and see whether it actually running or not. So I will right click my project and click run, and you can see here run starts, and you can see our example GUI antenna is open now. So congratulations, you have successfully installed NetBeans IDE in your Ubuntu operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.